Okay, I'm recording now. Recording. 220 ohm resistor. Okay, first I want to identify what kind of circuit is this. This circuit has a resistor, capacitor, and inductor. So it is an RCL circuit. Okay, RCL. And then okay, this is the value of resistance. Okay, this one is of microfarad, so it's capacitance, not the XC, not XC, not XC, because XC is ohm. Same thing goes to this millihenry. This one is inductance, unit for inductance, not the XL, because XL is also unit ohm. It's unit ohm. So this is C and L. Connected in series, okay, we are only learning about series circuit. And then with an AC source of amplitude. AC source of amplitude 10 volt and frequency 125 hertz. So you see, this is an amplitude. So that means it's a peak value. Yeah. That means the maximum value. Yeah. And it's about source. Yeah. It's about the source voltage. So I can say about this value. This 10 volt is a peak value, okay, because amplitude is a amplitude, so it's peak value of the source, peak value of the source 10 volt, okay. And then we have frequency F, frequency 125. What is the impedance of the circuit? What is the impedance of the circuit? So question A, okay, impedance of the circuit. So how to find it? Because we have RCL, right? We just need to find, XC, XL, and after that use the phasor diagram, find the Pythagoras theorem, and then we can find the Z. Okay, draw a phasor diagram later on. Okay, so let's find the XC first. Yeah, what is XC? XC formula is 1 over omega C. Okay, so which is 1 over pi f C. Yeah, omega is 2 pi f. And whereas XL is omega L, which is pi f L. Okay, 2 pi f L. Okay, so now 1 over 2 pi. Frequency is what? Frequency is 125. And then C is 50 microfarad, micro negative 6. Micro is negative 6. Okay, so what's the value? Let's calculate. Yeah, let's calculate. Pi multiply 125 by 50. What? Exponent negative 6. Iyalah, exponent negative 6. Okay, exponent. So the value, yeah. Okay, so the answer is 26.4648 ohm. Okay, so okay, let's continue. Now XL equal to pi FL. Let's find out. 2 pi multiply frequency. Frequency is 125. Frequency 125 L is L. L is 30 millihenry. 30 millihenry. 30 milli is negative 3. Exponent negative 3 milli. Exponent negative 3. Okay. So what's the answer? pi, pi multiply 125 multiply 30 30 and exponent negative 3 negative. Okay, the answer is 23.56 Okay, that's the answer 5619. Okay, so after that, what is the impedance? Okay, so now let's draw a phasor diagram. Okay, so we know that okay, put the current here, so we know that the resistor is always in phase, and then for XC is below here. XC is bigger. You see that? XC is bigger, XL is smaller. So XL is over here. XL is over here, smaller. So the resultant is over here. Yeah, it is XC minus XL. So in the end, we get the Z. Z. Okay. So it is XC is bigger. Yeah, XC is bigger. So let's find out the Z. Z is you know, we have a formula, yeah, based on the phasor diagram. XC minus XL square plus R square. Okay, so let's find out the difference. So we have 25.4648 and then minus the 23.5619. It is 1.9029. Yeah, 1029 square plus resistor is it's a resistance 20 ohm. Yeah, 20. Okay. Okay. So in the end, okay, so square this answer plus the 20 square. Okay, and then third answer, I got 20.09 ohm. Okay, that's it. I got it. 20.09 ohm. That's the impedance. Now, for question B, let's look at question B then. What is the amplitude of current in the circuit? Amplitude of current, that means I want to find I naught. I want to find I naught. Amplitude. Amplitude, that means the maximum value. Yeah, maximum current. So what is the maximum current? The peak current. I want to find peak current. So how? Yes, I got the peak voltage source. So just use the formula peak voltage source is equal to peak current multiply impedance. Multiply peak current multiply impedance. So what is it? Okay, so peak voltage source, so it's 10 volt and equal to a peak current. I want to find the peak current and then amplitude of current, peak current, and then Z is 20.09. Okay, 20.09. Z, that's Z, yeah, Z, 20.09. So what is the I naught? I naught, so 10 divide by 20.9, 20.09, so it's 0.4649. Let it be just decimal place, so 4977, so it's 0.50. Yeah, 0.50 ampere. 2.50 ampere. Yeah. Okay. So that's the answer. I got the peak current already. So now, what is the phase angle of the current relative to the source voltage? Is the current leading or lagging the source voltage? Okay. So what is the answer? So question C is asking about phase angle relative according to the current and current with the source voltage. So this is the phase angle means the phi. He want to talk about the phi. What is the phi? Okay. So based on this phasor diagram, you can clearly see this. You see that the current is with resistor, in phase with resistor. V source, where is V source? V source is with the impedance. I can say where the position of where is the impedance is V source. Understand? So the phase angle is between current and V source, between current and V source, which is also between resistor and impedance. So this is the phase angle phi. Yeah, this is a phase angle phi. So how to find the phase angle phi? Remember this is rotation anti-clockwise. Yeah, rotation anti-clockwise. So the phase angle, this one is between R and Z. So actually you can just use cos phi, you know. In fact, we can straight away, you know, cos phi is actually power factor, which is cos phi. Cos phi is what? R over Z. Cos phi is R over Z. Cos phi is adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent is resistor, hypotenuse is Z. So cos phi. So which is resistor is what? What is the value of resistor? Value of resistor is 20 ohm. Okay. 20 over what is the Z? Z is 20.09. 20.09. Okay, 20.09. So and then I need to anti-cos the answer. Yeah, answer. So I got my phi is okay. So let's do it. Yeah, make sure in degree. Yeah, your calculator in degree. 20 divided by 20.09. Divided by 29. So equal to 1. Okay, and then anti-cos. Cos answer. Yeah, I got the phase angle is 5.43 degree. 5.43 degree. Below I can say below positive x-axis, or I can say it is negative because from the positive axis clockwise downward, isn't it? Clockwise downward. So it's negative 5.43. Yeah, that's the phase angle. Negative 5.43. Okay, below positive axis. Okay, that's the phasor diagram. Now, who is leading? Who is lagging? Is the current leading or lagging the source voltage? Because now current, you see that? Current is this rotation anti-clockwise. So current is at the front. Current is at the front. V source is lagging behind. Yeah, why this happen? Because XC bigger than XL. XC bigger than XL. So the current is the boss now. For XC, current is the boss. For XL, the voltage is the boss. Voltage is the boss. For voltage is the boss. For XC, current is the boss. So this one is current. You see, current leading V source, rotation anti-clockwise. Okay, so this one is I can say is current leads. Current leads Vsauce by phi equal to 5.43 degree by 5.43 degree lah. Okay, so that's the answer. Okay, let's check the answer. Is it correct? Okay, let's check the answer. Let's check the answer. Question 9. Okay, yeah, that's the answer. Let's check the answer for question 9A. It is okay, on market. 20 point Z is 20.1 ohm. Yeah, that's correct. And then B is peak current is 0.498 ampere. So it's around 0.50 ampere. So it's near correct. Yeah, it's the same. Yeah. Okay. And then what is the phi? Phi is 5.43. 5.43. 5.4. Correct. Okay. This one is current leading, yeah. Current leading the Vsauce. Current leading Vsauce by this angle, 5.3 degree. Okay, so that's the answer for question 9. Okay, bye bye.